It is time for a water activity challenge, and I'm gonna show you how you can set up a quickly science experiment that you can do at home. So let's get started. For this experiment, we are going to need 2 containers, and you can use that, or if you have a sensory table, you can use that instead. Just 2 containers. So we're gonna use Tupperware. You're gonna need some bottles. These are clear bottles, which will work fine. These are stuff that I found at the dollar store so that they can squeeze water around. And I found this little quick one, but you can just use cups or bowls or things that you have around the house. You're going to need food coloring. Just pick 2 primary colors. So blue, red, or yellow, pick 2, because when we mix the water, we're going to create new colors. And I also found these, which I thought were fun, but they're not required. So all of these stuff are optional, because that's what's gonna do, is gonna help us just mix and match the water so that they can work on those fine motor skills and use their creativity. Because we're playing with water, I have a towel, but if you're outside, you don't have to put a towel. And I have my 2 containers side to side. And right now, we're just gonna fill them up with water and add the food. If you don't feel comfortable playing with so much water, what you can do is just add little cups of water, and you can put that in a tray. So that way you don't have so much water that you're worried to spill out, but they can still do the experiment and have some fun. And the last step is to present the activity in an inviting way. So this is what I'm doing. I actually move it out of the floor because we have the dogs and they're gonna wanna be drinking the water. So I took it out of the bowl, put it on a table, and I just laid all the ingredients in an inviting way to encourage imagination and exploration. So I'm not mixing any of the colors. I'm leaving some of the bottles empty, some of them full, and then we'll just wait and see how he engages with the activity. So let's see how he does. With measuring cups and bowls. Add a muffin tin with a spoon. Add a dropper with a puppet toy. It doesn't matter which activity you choose and what supplies you provide. All of these activities are working on fine motor skills, transferring skills, and pouring skills. All important pre-writing skills for your child before pre-K. So have some fun, use what you have at home, and let them just explore. Grab your coffee, sit next to them, and I'll see you in the community.